Greetings in today's trading session. Today we are going to trade Bitcoin and we will use magnificent profit opportunities which recent spikes in Bitcoin has given us, because this is causing headaches for thousands and thousands of Bitcoin traders and investors. But we don't care. We don't care what happens with halving or anything that's related with that, because we simply need price action because we are traders. And as a traders, we have one of the best options how to use that. We will use short-term options and we will use short and very precise trades how to do that. And we will do that also purely on price action. Namely, when prices will be below the trend line, we will go short, and once they will be above the trend line, we will go long. And for our trend indicators, we will use major moving average trend lines. So prices are below the trend line, we are going short. Prices are above the trend line, we are going long. Simple yet effective. Trick here is to use short trade durations, as we will use now with 5 seconds. And with that said, let's start to trade. Okay, our first trade will be short trade because prices are falling. Yes, we closed our first trade in today's trading session and yielded 900 profit. So our next trade are short as well because prices are keep getting lower, and we made another identical trade with identical profit. So trade number 3, well, we are falling, so we are continuing to go short. Here we had break-even trade because we closed just before we opened. It happens sometimes, but nevertheless, let's go further. Our fourth trade will be short as well because, well, we are in the same trading pattern. See, prices continue to go downwards and we also made $900 profit. So the fifth trade will also have to have same approach because setups are identical. Here we had break-even trades as well, and you see, unfortunately, we had break-even trade, but it continued to go downwards. It's painful to watch that, but it happens. So in this trading session, we were not that fortunate as the previous ones because we had 2 break-even trades. So we made $2,700 profit and we had 2 break-even trades and missed this good trading opportunity. You see, that's how it happens in trading. You might plan for every trade to be a winner, but it doesn't happen like that. But still, we are in profit with it. This was a short trading session and we made something like 7 to 8% out of our capital. And if we are continuing to do so, we will still accumulate a lot of money. So no worries here, just a couple of break-even trades, 3 profitable trades, and good efficient trading strategy. So if you want to trade like that, remember, trade options and use pocket options as your primary options broker. And if you want to do that, use my referral code in my description and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.